Hello, fourth graders. We're going to be working on taking expanded number and putting it in standard form. Now, expanded tells me how much each digit is worth. So these two numbers are currently written in expanded form. You need to take them and write them down into standard form, meaning how many groups do you have for each place value. Okay, so if we're looking at it, and please follow along, take out a pencil, paper, whatever you need, and let's do this. Okay, so we have 500. How many groups of 100 do you have in 500? Well, you have 5 groups of 10. Or excuse me, 5 groups of 100. For 5 groups of 100, how many groups of 10 do you have? You have 4 groups of 10. How many groups of 1 do you have? You have 1. So you have the number 541. Okay? Now it's asking you over here, how many groups of 3 do you have? How many 1s do you have? Well, I have 3. How many groups of 10 do you have? I have 3. How many groups of 9 in 900? How many groups of 100 do you have in 900? You have 9. And how many groups, how many groups of 1,000 do you have in 6,000? No, you have 6. So that number is 6,933. Okay? So all you're telling me is how many groups do you have in each place? In the 1s, the 10s, the 100s, and the 1000s. You're not telling me. It's a little confusing because you know that there are 6 groups of 1,000. That makes 6,000. 9 groups of 100 make 900. I'm not asking you how many altogether. I'm just asking you how many in each place. A little bit different than the other exercise that we did. Okay? So, you have to take each expanded. This is expanded. Right here. This is expanded. And this is called standard. Those are standard numbers, okay? So expanded tells you how much each digit is worth. Standard tells you how many groups you have for each place value. Questions? Concerns? See a teacher if you do. I'll see you soon.